Welcome to our YouTube showcase featuring the best California Twn Compressor, crafted for precision and power. This compressor stands out as a symbol of innovation and reliability. Designed to exceed expectations, it's the ultimate choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Join us as we explore the top pick of the year 2024. With a voltage requirement of 110 volts AC, this compressor ensures compatibility with standard power outlets, offering convenience and accessibility across a multitude of work environments. Whether you're drilling, airbrushing, spraying, or nailing, this compressor proves to be a versatile companion, catering to a diverse array of tasks with seamless precision and power. Powered by electricity, this compressor guarantees consistent performance, eliminating the hassle of fuel refills and providing uninterrupted operation for extended durations. Operating at a mere 70 decibels, this compressor boasts ultra-quiet operation, minimizing disruptions in your workspace and fostering an environment conducive to focus and productivity. Equipped with a robust 2.0 HP motor, this compressor delivers unrivaled power and efficiency, empowering you to tackle even the most demanding applications with confidence and ease. With a maximum pressure capacity of 290 psi, this compressor ensures optimal performance across a spectrum of tasks, from light-duty applications to heavy-duty projects requiring precision and power. Featuring a spacious 4.6-gallon rust-free aluminum twin tank, this compressor offers ample storage for compressed air, facilitating continuous operation without the need for frequent refills. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, this compressor combines durability with lightweight maneuverability, enabling effortless transportation and placement on job sites of any scale. Engineered for reduced maintenance and costs, the oil-free pump system ensures dependable performance and longevity, with a lifespan exceeding 3,000 hours, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Designed for seamless startup, even in cold temperatures, the Easy Start valve simplifies operation, streamlining your workflow and enhancing efficiency in challenging work conditions. Weighing in at just 68 pounds, with compact dimensions of 20.7 inches length by 18 inches width by 21 inches height, this compressor is engineered for mobility, allowing you to navigate job sites with ease and precision. California Air Tools CAT4620AC Twn Compressor, setting a new standard of excellence in pneumatic tools. With unparalleled performance, whisper-quiet operation, and unmatched durability, this compressor stands as a testament to craftsmanship and ingenuity, empowering you to elevate your work to extraordinary heights. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future reviews.